Good morning, children. This is your MSc class. Welcome back to our MSc class. Chapter 7 The Green Earth. Let us see one story. Bunty's teacher announced in the class that every student has to wear a green dress on June 5th. She also said that there would be a program in school where every child will get to show a plant. Bunty, one student's name, and his teacher announced in the class that every student has to wear a green dress on June 5th. And also, the teacher said there would be a program in a school. Bunty was amused. Why on June 5th? And why do we need to wear green dresses and sow plants, teacher? He asked. And Bunty was so amused to know why teacher said to wear a green dress on June 5th. The teacher explained. June 5th is observed as the World Environment Day, and we take the pledge to keep our environment clean and green. The students wear green dress as a promise to make Mother Earth green. And the teacher explained. On June 5th is observed as the World Environment Day. We will celebrate World Environment Day on June 5th, and we take the pledge to keep our environment clean and green. And on that day we take one pledge, that is to keep our environment clean and green. The students wear green dresses as a promise to make Mother Earth green, and we can do it by planting as many trees as possible. But how do plants make Mother Earth clean? Asked Bunty. Bunty again asked, how do plants make Mother Earth clean? Before the teacher could answer, Bunty's friend Simpy got up and said, plants take all bad and polluted air and give us clean air to breathe. That is how they help keep the environment clean. Simpy, he was the friend of Bunty. She stood up and gave answer that plants take all bad and polluted air and give us clean air to breathe. That is why we have to keep our environment clean. The teacher smiled and said, Simpy is absolutely right. The world is progressing. New factories are being set up and many new vehicles enter our roads daily. They all release smoke and add to pollution. And in the years to come, there will be more technology and with it more pollution. And then teacher smiled and said, Simpy's answer is absolutely right. And teacher said, the world is progressing. New factories are being set up and many new vehicles enter our roads daily. So they release smoke and it is pollution, air pollution. So we have to plant a tree. So we must plant more trees today to get more fresh oxygen in the years to come. If today we will plant a tree, then we will get more fresh oxygen. Bunty sat and started thinking. He realized that it was important to act immediately and plant as many trees as possible. Then Bunty sat and started to think, and he realized that it was important to act immediately and we have to plant as many trees as possible to get fresh oxygen. That evening, he told his father, I want to plant a new tree in our garden on June 5th. And that evening, Bunty told to his father he want to plant a new tree in their garden on June 5th. His father smiled and said, we will plant 2 trees. Then Bunty's father smiled and said, we will plant 2 trees. Moral of the story: if we live together on this earth, we must also be responsible for it. Earth is our home planet. Green earth is necessary for all of us. Keeping the earth green means not cutting down trees and using our natural resources wisely so that they last long. We should always try to keep our earth green by planting more and more trees. And children, this is the moral of the story. We live together on this earth and we must also be responsible for it. This earth is our home planet. We should keep green to our earth. And we should not cut trees. If we'll cut the tree, then we will not get fresh oxygen. And we should always try to keep our earth green by planting more and more trees. So children, today onwards we will plant tree in our garden. So thank you children.